All right, y'all. So this is my daughter Serenity, aka Bugs. She's joining me today, and we're gonna do this little bit of a predator challenge. She wants to catch a bass. The best way I know to catch the biggest fish in the lake. That's right, big old bobbers. We're gonna catch bluegills right out of the lake, put them under the bobbers, and they'll get hammered by bass or catfish. We could catch catfish too, but we're going for bass. That's always been the easiest way I've found in these small lakes to catch the big predator fish. So that's what we're doing today. We're chasing predators, and bass is on the list. What was your biggest last year? Like 18 inches, like 3.5, 4 pounds? And she wants to beat that, so let's see if we can't beat that. But yeah. Let's get to fishing. Oh, there we go. Man, they feel like a big bluegill. And this is what we use for bait. Is that crazy? You can catch bass on this. I mean, I like them a little bit smaller, but I've caught them on this size, so. Probably just grass. I'll look in a second.
Yeah.
Bait. Get it? There you go. Oh! Gotta give him a little pop. See, set that hook in him. Bugs is trying to catch her bait to catch a big old bass. Did I get him? Got it. Oh yeah, that's a good size on there. That's the size we want right there. This is how we do it. Bobber going right through the eyes. Sometimes they go through the back, but they tend to grab it by the head first. So we're gonna start with that and see how it goes. Catch a few more bluegills getting a live well, and we'll get a couple more of those rods out. Yank. There you go. You got him that time. Oh, that's a perfect one too.
He's so little.
Bug's got a little one. All right. Did you get another one?
This one's bigger.
Oh yeah. That looks like a hybrid. What they call them? Oh no, it's a red ear. Got a red ear. Oh, that's a crappie. Won't use him for bait, but that's something different. Little crap eye. Bluey. Oh, we lost him. Oh man, that was a perfect size one too. Bugs, get another perfect size one. That'll work. We're gonna switch him from this hook.
Perfect timing.
Perfect timing to this hook. Sorry, bud. You're probably thinking life really sucks right now. That's as fresh bait as you could get.
It looks funny.
It does. Just let him swim his little heart out. And hopefully a bass man comes up and grabs him. Oh, I heard that. Heard that. Well, that's a bigger bluegill. Ooh, hi bluegill.
He's colorful.
He's pretty. Look at that, y'all. That's a good looking bluegill. Very pretty. There you go. Oh! I lift my rod up and there's a fish on it. It was just dangling over the side. bugs. Oh, I put the handle on the wrong side. I'm sorry. I forgot to move it back. Keep the rod tip this way. Come over here. Screw Bugs up on her own rod. She reels on the other side. We'll fix it after this fish. You just have to have a little fun. I was wondering, I was like, man, that bobber hasn't came up for a while. Usually you just dipped it down for a second. All right, come over me. There you go. Oh yeah, it's a big old bass. Oh, come on. Hold on, hold on. Yeah! That's what we set out for. That's awesome, Bugs. Is that cool? He's probably about the same as your one last year. Maybe a little smaller, but still a good old bass. I gotta show you all this. This is on me. Look, there's that bluegill. Unfortunately, the hook's down there, but it's a smaller hook. You should be all right. All right, Bugs. Lift up his belly. There you go. Is that what you came out here after?
Yep.
That's awesome. That's pretty quick too. We haven't been doing this very long. We're still catching bait. Hopefully we get a couple more. That's a pretty bass, but woohoo! Let's get some pictures.
Just like a catfish.
Yep. Bugs gonna let him go. There he goes. Bye, bud. That was awesome, Bugs. High five. Clunk. Hey, you got a headache? Bugs is giving fish headaches. Oh, that's a good one.
I found the trick.
That's what kept happening every time I stopped to help you. I just had it dangling here and I'd lift it up and there'd be a fish on it. Making memories with your daughter and just having a good time out on the water. I'm glad we got this time to come out here and do something she wanted to do. Caught some bluegill, lots of bluegill, even a crappie, some red ear. It was pretty cool. And then we tossed them out and caught Bugs, a big old bass. Well, I had a great day and I love spending time with you. And yeah, this is something I really enjoy. Look at that. That's a beautiful sunset. Anyways, stay wicked, y'all. We're going to enjoy the sunset.